Airbnb business is an intellectual sport. So like we need to go and work out our biceps. It's the same thing with our Airbnb. So we need to go and improve all the time. And if we get lazy and we don't work out, then we just get soft. So we received some new displays. I have them here. That I was talking about in another video for one of our houses. So in this video, I'm just going to unbox those. So one of the theories in life is something called the butterfly effect. So the butterfly effect states that if something happens like a flapping of a butterfly's wings in China, then that can manifest a tycoon or something else in America or in Denmark, very, very far away. So that is a cool concept, I think. So that's why we got this one with the butterflies. There's another one that fits it somewhere that I'll find a little bit later. Then we have the balance in the world. So this one I kind of bought for myself, but we're going to use it in one of our Airbnbs, the first property we bought actually. And then the wife wanted the yin yang, so you have the dark and the light in the dark and the dark in the light. And then we have the sleeping panda that is sleeping. And here's the one that I wanted to match with the other one with the butterfly effect. So it says that a concept in chaos theory that suggests small, seemingly insignificant events can have profound and far-reaching consequences over time. Named after the metaphorical example of a butterfly flapping its wings in one part of the world, causing subtle atmospheric changes that could eventually lead to a tornado in another. The butterfly effect highlights the sensitivity of complex systems to initial conditions. It illustrates how even the tiniest variations in a system can grow exponentially, making long-term predictions extremely difficult, if not impossible. This idea is often applied not only in scientific fields such as meteorology and physics, but also in social sciences, economics, and even everyday lives, where small choices or actions can ripple outward, shaping events in unforeseen ways. The butterfly effect beautifully captures the mystery and complexity of cause and effect, teaching us that in a world of infinite possibilities, even the gentlest actions hold the potential to shape the future in profound ways. So we are buying these displays, then that is a small thing. But when we stack it up with so we bought a new coffee maker. So we saw we made some changes in May this year to one of our Airbnbs, where we actually made it a little bit worse, because the year before we were always meeting every single guest at the Airbnb. So when they arrived, we were there, we were waving hands, but then that was kind of a waste of our time. So we decided not to be there when the guests arrived. And then what happened was that our ratings dropped significantly when we were not there. So we had to come up with a way to lift the ratings again. So that's why we introduced a coffee maker, and we did a few minor adjustments to the Airbnb. So actually the rating ended up being higher. So remember to subscribe to the channel, because I have a number video where we talk more about that. This is a Chinese money catching cat, so that is always good to have in our business. So we have the lock catching the cat catching the money. That's what I wanted to say. Then we have something called Kaizen in Japan. So Kaizen is the philosophy of constant improvement. Every day is an opportunity to improve, even if it's only 1%. It's not about being invincible, it's about being unstoppable. So we try every day when we wake up to make our business 1% better. Try to do something that has a very, very tiny impact, but over time, the ripples with the butterfly effect, then it will have a significant impact. This is Mount Fuji, and then we have this one. It's the cat and the butterfly. So see with the frame, so actually I wanted this one to go together with the butterfly effect. So that's why, so you can buy these with frames too. So these two are matching. And then I bought this for my mom, but I might just keep it. So it's a penguin, wizard penguin, and the same with this one. It's a penguin of love, which is good for the kids. And then this one, it was like sometimes we need to work, and then we need to put the wife or the husband up on the hook, right? So they don't disturb us, right? And we have the heater that we talked about in another video. Like, please do not play with the remote control. Just use the plus and minus to adjust the heat. Don't play with it, right? And then we have this one for like the bedroom, right? Energy is loading. Please wait for energy to come back. These are the big displays that we got. And then we have some, you need to imagine that this is like a 4-piece. So it's like the cat I have up here. So it's like 4 pieces with some sort of image of space that we're putting up. And then we have something else with a tree that we're going to try to put up in one of our AirBnbs. And then we have a small yin yang. Again, the dark is in the light and the light is in the dark. And then we have a picture for the toilet. Are you pooping? And then we have this one. So I think this one goes with the yin yang here. So it's like, this is bad, this is good, this is bad in the good, this is good in the bad, this is life. Life has both good and bad. The thing is, like, some people are afraid to take action, right? Because like they think there's like evil inside, but just do it, right? Just do it anyways. And like, you will fulfill your dreams after you've getting subscribed to the channel and given the video a like. So this is a tea extra plate, so that means like it has, you can feel like it's not just flat, it's very evil, right? Anyways, we will put them up and make some videos where we'll show where like the upgrades we're making right now to our AirBnbs. Thanks for watching. I'm Pelle.